So to get started, create a new course, go to My Courses, and choose New Course. You can now define the course, including a short name, the course name, and the full description. When you're ready to create the course, go ahead and click Create Course. You now have an empty course. You can see in the course contents list, there's nothing there. To add a video, we're going to go ahead and click Add Content, and we're going to choose that we want to insert a video. Now, to insert a video, we need to put in the title of the video and give the URL for the video. So here's the title. And for the video URL, I need to get the location of the video online. So for this video, I'm going to go to YouTube. So here's the video I want to insert in YouTube. To get the URL for the video, I'm going to click on Share down here, and you can see that YouTube just gives me the URL right here. To access it, I'm just going to choose Copy to take that URL, and now I can put it into ScalableLearning. So I go back to ScalableLearning, and I just paste in the URL to the YouTube video and click Save. Now ScalableLearning shows me the video, and I can go ahead and insert my quiz question. To insert my quiz questions, I need to go to the point in the video where I want the quiz question. So I'm going to go ahead and play through the video until I get to the quiz question. So here's where I want the question in the video. I'm going to go ahead and click Add Video Quiz here. Now the type of video quiz I want is an on-video quiz here because the question options were already in the video itself. And I want to have one with just one answer because there's only one correct answer to this quiz, so I'm going to choose one answer. I can now go ahead and put in the title of the question below here. And to let the students click on the video to choose the options, I'm just going to double click on the video where I want each option to be. So for the first answer here, I'm going to go ahead and type in what the answer is the students are choosing. And since this is not the correct answer, I'm not going to choose correct answer. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in an explanation for why the question is wrong to help students out if they don't get the answer right. And I can close this question. Now I'm going to go through and define the rest of the places for the student to click in the video here. So here's the second one. So this answer here is the correct answer, so I'm going to go ahead and check correct answer. And I'm going to remember to include an explanation as well. When I'm done defining the quiz question, I can go ahead and click Done. Now, if I want to see what this quiz question is like for a student, I can go down here and click Preview as Student. When I click Preview as Student, I'll see exactly what the student experiences. Here's the video as the student will see it. And if I want to jump right to that quiz question, I can go here under the timeline and click straight on the quiz question to go right to it. Now I can try it just the way the student was. I can click on an answer, click Check Answer, see if it was correct or incorrect, and hover for the answer, and keep going until I get the answer correct. When I'm done, I can click Exit Student Preview to leave the student preview. Now, the quiz that I just entered over here, I can click on it to go right to it, this was an in-video quiz. You can see that the question itself was right here inside the video, and so I wanted students to be able to click on top of it. But what if I didn't have that question in the video? Well, say I go to another part of the video. Say we're over here where there is no quiz question in the video. If I still want to put in a quiz question here, I can use another type. So I can go ahead here and click Add Video Quiz, and I can choose a text quiz. And a text quiz will let me specify all the different options. So let's see how a text quiz works. So when I go ahead and click a text quiz here, I get to write in all the answers and explanations, and the students will see it just like this. So you don't have to have the quiz in the video. Don't forget to include an explanation for why answers are wrong so students can get some help. And if I need another answer, just click Add Answer. For the correct answer, I'm going to choose it so it knows it's correct. And when I'm done, I can go ahead and click Done. Now I've got a video with 2 quizzes in it here, and if I want to preview that second quiz, I can go ahead and click Preview as Student again. And now when I'm in the student preview mode, I can jump ahead in the timeline and go straight to that question. And this is how it'll show up to the student. Here it's a text quiz, so they get to do the same thing with the text answers. They can choose them and click Check Answer and hover over them and get feedback. Again, when I'm done, I just click Exit Student Preview.